Hey Silver Tubers, it's Mr. Zeke coming from you from the Silver Pouring Bench. I wanted to go over my recent pickups. It's been a little while since I did a pickup video. I know that spot has gone up. A lot of this I picked up before spot started to jump. I just got my hands on it. First off, I picked up 20 more ounces of the Buffalo rounds, which will eventually end up in the furnace, I'm sure, coming out as a new form. I picked up 3 generic rounds. These are the silver trade units. This one looks quite old. It's got a lot of toning on it. This one is a just American Precious Metals NatMex, and then this one is another silver trade unit, and this one has the obverse, like so. Picked up those 3. They will probably end up in the furnace at some point. Picked up 4 of these Littleton. This one's a Britannia. This one is a 2000 Britannia, which is interesting. I learned something new in this community every day. These Britannias were 95.8% silver, not 999, in 2000. I got this one still sealed in the Littleton package. I had seen these at my local coin shop but didn't really know what they were until I saw a video recently where someone showcased one. And this one is another 2000. 2-pound silver Britannia. I also picked up an Australian silver 10 Kreutzer, I believe is how it's pronounced. I may be mispronouncing that. This is I love the reverse of this. This is a 2001 10 Kreutzer Austria. I think I might have said Australia. I meant Austria. This is sterling. It's 92.5. 31.06 grams total. So just under an ounce of pure. Good looking coin. Digging that beard. That's a sweet beard. All right. And the last one I picked up was a Mongolia silver 1000 Togrog. Exactly what I would expect. Genghis Khan on the obverse, on the reverse, Mongolia. And this one is also 92.5 in year. This is a 2002. So I picked up these 4 Littletons. Add to the perma stack. I picked up a couple of Numismatics. I picked up this one right here, the Confederatio Helvetica. It's a 5 franc, 1932. This is 835 silver. I dug the back of it. I love that Swiss cross on the coin. So I picked this one up at the local coin shop one of the days I was helping out. I also picked up this one I'll take out because I want to get both sides. I wrote some information down about it. I couldn't figure out what it was. I looked and looked and looked. I just knew I loved that lion on the back, holding the sword with the sun rays coming off of the lion and the crown at the top. And then upon doing a little bit of research, I found out that this is a 1927 5,000 dinar. It was demonetized in 1941 from Iran. And so I have a piece of Iranian silver, and I believe, if I remember correctly, it is, I don't know if I wrote it down, I believe it's 90% silver. I'd have to look it back up. I should have written that down. I should have wrote that down, y'all. Sorry about that. So I got a couple of packages in the mail. I'm going to go over the big one first. I've seen several unboxings of these, and I'm going to go over this one first. because this one doesn't even really belong to me anymore. This is my order, thank you Losing Louie, from Government. There's the catalog, Government catalog. And in this, I have my 10 Shark Week rounds. 2016 Shark Week rounds with their COAs. Now, the reason that I am not going to go too deep into these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For some reason, number 9s and 10 are rubber banded together. I imagine they probably all were at one point. Is because these are going away tomorrow. I worked a deal with my local coin shop. I was there today, my day off. Worked a deal to take these 10, because remember when I got these, they were 17.20 a piece, and they're now, spots now at about 20 piece. Well, these 10 plus 1 are going to be exchanged, and I gave them a little bit of cash today for this beauty. This is an 1852 90% gold, 5 francs. I'm sorry, 20 francs. 1852, I need to change that, it's 20 francs. I was looking at a 5 franc. And so this is my second piece of gold, 90%, it's 6.4516 grams. So pure, I think it works out to about 5 grams of pure gold. But we had, 3 of them come in, and I immediately grabbed one and said, hey, I want one of these. And he said, which one do you want? And I said, whichever one's the cheapest, because I was just going for weight. But he said, when he came back, he said, just pick the one you want. So I went for the 1852, and I'll show you why if the camera will zoom. Let's see if it'll zoom. There were 3 dates. I don't know if it'll zoom. Down here at the bottom, there's 2 little marks. One is a finger pointing, and the other is another mark. Well, on the other 2, the finger was on the left-hand side. On the 1852, it was on the right-hand side. And so I picked this one because it was the only one that had the finger pointing on the right-hand side. And so I thought it was kind of unique, so I picked this up. And so, yes, Shark Week paid off. The Shark Week here, it's going away tomorrow. These are going to the local coin shop in exchange for some gold for the permastack. So this is gold piece number 2, which brings me to my last unboxing. And I got this Par Avion. And this was a deal I did with one of my fellow stackers up north, in the north part of the North American continent, as my 19-year-old likes to say, Canada. And I'm gonna pull out the note here, and it says, hey Zeke, hope this finds you and yours doing well. Me and mine are all right. Just a short note to put in the package. Can you please let me know it arrives? Well, buddy, it arrived. It arrived. I am still interested in the next series of privies. Let me know. Your friend in Canada. And P.S. Sorry it is not handwritten. Lost that in 2008 to a stroke. Okay. Alright, so typewritten, handwritten, I don't care. It was a wonderful, wonderful, nice note. And I got a Keurig. If anybody has, I got a 40 pack of K-Cups. I didn't get that. I'm just kidding. It's been a long day. I'm just having fun. In this is my 3rd piece of gold to the permastack. This is I'm going to cut it loose of the cardboard backing so we can see both sides of it. This is a Canadian maple. Focus. This is a 1/10 ounce Canadian maple gold piece. Super stoked. Super stoked. This is, my eyes aren't what they used to be, a 2016, I believe, if it'll focus. Having a lot of trouble with focus tonight. camera's not wanting to do any better than my eyes will on their own. I got my reading glasses. So anyway, add that to the permastack. So appreciate everybody watching. Hope everybody had a wonderful 4th. I know I did. Super excited when I got home to find all this in the mailbox. I was kind of holding out because I wanted to include that gold maple in my video, and I wasn't going to do a video till tomorrow night, but kind of a long unboxing, and I appreciate you bearing with me. But once again, keep stacking, all you silver tubers. Appreciate it. Mr. Zeke from the Silver Pouring Bench. Cheers.